Hey, what's up, people? We're back in Wanda Plaza. It's another Aaron's China guide. Back to doing classes again. Once you're back to work, it feels like you're never gone. I gotta say, I do like this new camera. You can tell from the last video, the one we did about the, what was it? The lamb hot pot in Shanghai. There's a definite improvement in video quality. So today we're gonna have another Sichuan food. And the food is called boboji. It's kind of a funny name, isn't it? Boboji. So boboji, like bo means like a bowl, basically. So bobo and ji as in gyro for chicken meat. So boboji just means like chicken in a bowl. So the boboji is given to you on skewers, just like chuan, but the difference is boboji is cold, whereas chuan is hot. That's the main difference. Boboji is cold, chuan is hot. So it's spicy chicken, and not just chicken, other things too, like there's some seaweed, some small eggs. I believe they're quail eggs. That the opian lotus, and some mushrooms, and another kind of meat. I think it was some kind of organs, like intestine or something like that. And of course the chicken. And we're gonna go back to the old Chinese snacks place to eat. So yeah, let's go to Chengdu Snacks and get us some boboji. Okay, this is our boboji. You can see there's a nice spicy broth, and all the stuff is on skewers. Here's the chicken, and this is that the lotus root. What else we got? There's some seaweed there, a couple eggs. I believe they're quail eggs. They're quite small. Okay, we're all finished. That was really, really good, really delicious. Highly recommend it. So if you're in Chongqing or Sichuan, make sure you try the boboji. It's pretty easy to spot. You'll see like meat and veggies on these skewers, and these big bowls of spicy sauce. I went to the Chengdu Snacks restaurant to eat it. It was 22 RMB. Wasn't a whole lot of food. If you're eating alone, maybe get a couple side dishes with it. But it was delicious. The sauce almost had like a bit of a peanut flavor to it. And then hot peppers. So, you know, the month's coming to an end. Still owe you guys a couple more videos, plus the old month-end beer drinking, which I always look forward to. See, there's the Chinese letters. It says Wanda Guangchang, or Wanda Square Plaza, Square or Plaza, you could say. I'm just walking towards home. Thanks for my next video. It's just like a little outdoor noodle shop. So people eat noodles for breakfast. I feel like I've been neglecting the old fish. So I'm thinking for my next video I'm going to do either shui ju yu or swan tai yu, both of which are local Sichuan specialties, Sichuan/Chongqing. It's been quite muggy here. August is the hottest month in Chongqing, so if you're gonna come here, try to do it in spring or fall. That would be my recommendation. Giving you guys a bit of bonus footage since the video is a bit short today. It's the mall where I exercise. Starlight Mall. This is a used car shop. Cars are actually more expensive in China than they are in the West due to high import taxes. Well, look at me, all the sweat. So whatever you do, do not come to Chongqing in August. It's too hot. Way too hot. Anyways, I'm gonna go home, pour myself a nice cold beer, relax. Got 2 more videos for you guys in this month. The fish and something else. Thanks as always for watching. Sorry about the last couple months. I've been in holiday mode, both video-wise and work-wise, but getting back into it. Okay, so thanks for watching the videos. Oh, busy street. And see you next time.